Human history is the history of restoration. Satan's sovereignty must be transformed into a world where the three great blessings are fulfilled, centered on God. Hell on earth will be transformed into the kingdom of heaven on earth. The first blessing God gave to Adam and Eve was the perfection of individual character. We can observe that the spirituality of fallen people and the freedom of the original mind are being restored. Also, in the present age, the true love in fallen people and the true human value are being restored to their original. The world has been coalescing into one cultural sphere. This is evidence that God's second blessing is being restored. God's providence of restoration through religion, philosophy, ethics, and so forth, has gradually elevated the spirituality of fallen people toward God. Modern people have built an extremely comfortable environment through the economic progress that has accompanied scientific development. Fallen people are restoring their dominion over the universe, establishing God's third blessing.